Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn off communication limit for phone calls in this device. So here I am going to make a call in this device. That number is not saved in my device. Just tap on this one and you can see communication limit. This is not in your contact. Your screen time settings only allow you to communicate with the contact. Tap on OK. So let me show you how to turn off this option. For this, go to settings. Then go to screen time, tap on the option communication limit. Then here you can see the option during screen time. If you select the option contact only, then you can communicate the person or anybody that number only in your contact list. So if you want to contact with any unknown persons, then here you need to select the option everyone. So here I am going to select the option everyone. Now let me call that unknown number again. Just wait for 6 seconds. You can see it is calling. So again I am going to turn off this one for the contacts only. Now just wait for few seconds. You can see the difference. You can see communication limit is enabled. So simply in this way you can disable the communication limit in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.